Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and today is watch face giveaway day. And no, it is not a mega watch face giveaway. It should have been, but it's not. A lot of people didn't respond from different countries to receive the watch face codes. But what we're gonna do, we will link that video down below if you want to know the list of names of countries that I have watch face codes for. I really don't want them to go to the wayside. I really would like to give them away, and we want to thank PW Indoor for that donation of all those watch faces. Okay, but we also have some to give away from Turbillion. Well, she goes by the name of My Gallery, and she gets down on watch faces. So we have some to give away from that developer as well. I want to thank you all for your support on the channel and the support of the developers as well. And we want to thank the developers Indoor, PW, and My Gallery for the donation of all these watch faces. We appreciate you. Thank you. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get this over with and announce the winners of some of the watch faces that we have. All right, now for PW84, who we have that's the winner is going to be David. I can't pronounce your last name, but we will put it across the screen along with Nandy. I can't pronounce the first name of that winner as well. Germany showed up. Germany's in the building. What's up, Germany? And Cool Rabbi is his name. Robbie, I believe. I still have one watch face code to give away for that country as well. So if you know anybody from Germany that would love a watch face for their Gears 2 or their Gears 3, then tell them to hit me in my email. And if I have any left, then I'll send a free one to that person. Now also we have Canada in the building. Canada, we got them. We only have a few of them, so they've been getting watch face codes all day yesterday, and we only got a few in hand, so they know who they are. One is Ronnie, another is Trap Shooter, and Steve Jordan, and they're going to circulate between the three of them. But we have one to give away. So if you have or know anybody from Canada that would like a free watch face code, and I didn't call out their name, tell them to hit me in my email. Should be going across the screen, and it should be in the description box as well. Tell them to email me. If I have one left, I'll send them one. Other than that, I'm going to put them on the list for Canada. For when I get Canada watch faces, I will send them one. All right. Now, Turbillion, which is the developer My Gallery. This one is going to be for Turbillion Ring. Now, the winner for that one is going to be, they're from Canada, because we didn't get any for the US, but what we did was we did email the developer back and asked her could she send us 3 for the US. We're waiting for a response, and when we get it, we're not going to do a video on it. You're going to get a surprise code in your email, and I know you're going to appreciate it. And we got more tons of watch faces to give away. I'm telling you, everyone is a winner. Just stay tuned. Cool? Now, for this one here is for Give Peace a Chance. I don't know if you like that watch face. I thought it was very unique. I thought it was different. I thought it was an awesome look. And we have 2 for Canada, right? Again, we have the same people. One is going to be Ronnie, and it's going to circulate between Trap Shooter 52 and Steve Jordan. And or if we get a new person from Canada, that person will get that watch face. You got to hit me in my email so I can get your information to be able to send you a watch face code. And we did have one for the US, and that one's going to Gary Giller. Congratulations, Gary, you won this watch face. And that's going to be it, people. I don't want to keep you any longer. We just wanted to call out the names, but no, we got more watch faces to come about. We haven't did a review on some of the watch faces that's about to come up tomorrow, so look for that. And with that being said, listen, go ahead, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, your fun day Sunday. Enjoy family and friends, eat well, relax, whatever you need to do in order to have a peaceful and pleasant day. And I'll see you at the next video. Subscribe, make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.